Hello everyone. So if you want to insert an SD card into your Redmi Note 13, so first of all, grab your phone and now you're to locate SD card tray right here. So grab it, grab your SIM ejecting tool and enter it into the hole, right? So hold it down a bit. And now we've got our SIM tray out. So now locate a SIM side. So for example, SIM 1. Place your SIM. You can hear this little click. It means that it's connected. As you see, it sits tightly. Now enter your SIM facing the contact upward. So grab it and enter it into your phone. And basically that's it. Now let's give our phone a few seconds to load up, but as you see, it's already detected the SIM card. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.